Is an approval required to change a gas stove to an electric one? Yes, approval is required. Even though changing appliances might seem simple, switching from a gas oven to an electric one almost always involves work that affects common property. An electric oven usually needs new or upgraded wiring or a higher electrical load, and anything running through the walls, risers, or the building's main electrical systems is considered common property. The same goes for gas. When a gas line needs to be capped or altered, that pipework is generally part of the building's shared services, so it can't be changed without the body corporate signing off. Legislation mandates that owners cannot alter common property without written approval, but most schemes also have bylaws that require approval for any work involving electrical, plumbing, or other building services, especially when licensed trades are involved or certifications are needed. So, even though the upgrade is happening inside the lot, the work behind the walls is what matters. Because it is not like for like and affects shared services, you do need body corporate approval before starting the job.